Okay, you might have gotten a painting kit. So this is your kind of acrylic painting kit. Here's the cool thing. This is all really usable. So don't start throwing away your lids and stuff like that. When you open this up, the lid, it says right here, mixed paint on here. You can use this like a palette. So instead of a paper plate or a styrofoam plate, you can just mix in this, wash it out, and they'll be fine. The paperwork is really important. Please, please, please read it. Acrylic paint does stain. Acrylic is like plastic. It dries hard, permanent. And so please read all this information here. It's really important. It also talks about maintenance, like how to wash your brushes out, and what to do if your paint is starting to dry up a little bit on you. How do you keep a color if you're not done using it and you want to use it a day from now? So this information is really, really important. And the second sheet that I gave you is a cool guide that everyone will get just on color mixing and color theory. So a lot of stuff on your color wheel. If you want, you can practice mixing and stuff right here on this piece of paper, just tiny little bits so you don't waste a lot of paint. But it'll help you when it comes time because you got the basic colors. So you got your primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. These containers need to stay closed, so please make sure that the lids are on really, really tight so that they don't dry out. You also got black and white. Black and white will help you tint and shade. So I can make any color with red, yellow, and blue, and then I can make different lightnesses and darknesses by adding the black and white. So your color sheet that I gave you will help you learn some of that and understand some of that, and I'll be helping you along the way. But those are all the basic colors you need to make the other colors. I gave you a couple brushes, a smaller one, a larger one. You also have a piece of, it's just a trash bag, but this is like something you can work on. You don't want to get this stuff on your table, your carpets, or anything. So spread out a piece of plastic. Doesn't matter if this gets dirty, it'll dry pretty quick, and you can reuse this every single time. I suggest you keep everything back in your little kit, okay? So that it doesn't end up getting spilled, used by someone else, or dry out. If you have colors that you're still using and you want to save them, there's tips and tricks on how to do that with a piece of saran wrap, or maybe even utilizing this in a creative way. So that's your painting kit. If you got one, you should have everything you need to do the basics. And then if you run out of items, you can always let me know and we'll try to get more to you, or maybe this will inspire you to be able to find something on your own. Okay, so congratulations on a new painting kit.